Hi, this is Christian from FXVPS, your world-class Forex VPS provider. In this video, I will show you how to install more than one MT4 of the same broker on your VPS. If the MT4 you want to install is already installed on your VPS, you need to locate the file directory of that MT4. On default, you can find it in local disk C, program files times 86. In this video, I will install more than one Global Prime MT4. So, I will need to create a new folder and name it as Global Prime, MetaTrader 402, or you can name it any name you want as long as it is different from the first one. You can also rename the original folder so that it will not be overwrite in case you install the MT4 incorrectly. After that, rename the existing MT4 desktop icon. Click Continue. Once it is done, download the MT4 installation file or find it on your download folder. Open the installation file. Then click Run. Click Yes. Then click Settings and click Browse. Go to the new folder that you created for the second MT4 and select the folder. After that, rename the program group base on the name of the installation folder. Click Next. And let's wait until it is done. Click Finish. A new MT4 icon should appear on your VPS desktop. You need to rename it so it will not be overwrite on your next MT4 installation. Click Continue. That's it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more useful tips using a Forex VPS or a VPS in general, please subscribe to our channel. If you are interested on using one of our VPS, you can try us out for 7 days for only $1.99. Any questions or issues you have, we have our 24 hours live chat support, as well as email that is available anytime.